Yesterday, I had gone to my cousin's house and he had just graduated from the college. So he asked me a question, brother, what should I do right now? I want a job. And so I simply asked him, so what are your interests? What do you want to do in your life? He said, brother, I want to do something in programming. I am very interested in it. But after a few seconds, he said, no, I'm also interested in designing as well. I love to do the designing stuff. And I have given him a lots of things. And at the end, I have said him, why don't you work on your niche? What is the best thing you love to do in your life? When you do that thing, the time flies away and you don't see the other things at that time. He said, nothing is there like that. I can do programming, I can do designing. I watch a lot of times, you can say, movies as well. But there is a particular niche. I don't want to do that, but I want to earn money. I want to start earning money from right now. So the answer surprised me a lot. He said, I will see the niche after doing my job. And I know after working 14 years in the corporate job, when you start working in a job, you feel very comfortable there and there is a very less scope of improvement unless you are internally motivated for doing this. So this generation of youngsters who always want to be in a hurry to carry on the income, to earn income as soon as possible, as fast as possible. They don't care what they want to do, what they want to do in life. They simply want to earn money. That's it, by any means. But this will not solve the problem, because when they start working for the money, slowly and slowly their mindset becomes a money minded, and like they don't want to work on the things which they like, and they are working on the things they don't like but they have to do because they are getting money from it. So the problem is not with my younger brother or my cousin. The problem lies behind all the people who are graduating or starting their career in their jobs. They don't know what their niche, what they want to do in their life, and they wholly going to the way. They are sailing in a ship and there is no pilot of that. There is no captain to drive that ship. Wherever the ship goes, they are going with them, and ship can go anywhere without any directions, and you don't know where they will be landed after few years. See, what happens is, whenever you try to do a job, after 1 or 2 years you become habitual to that and you are in a rat race. Now you are in a rat race and you don't want to leave that job, because the money is coming constantly from it. You are living now on paycheck to paycheck. You are always looking for a job with a higher pay. You don't see the things what you love, but the money. Sooner, after 5-6 years, you start to see things like, what I am doing right now, I don't want to do this, I want to do something else. But at that time your responsibilities are so you are unable to do or shift your job or leave your job or do the things that you want to love in your life. So this carries away with their whole life. I recommend my cousin to start working on the things that he likes, he loves to do, and start working on that skill to improve, so that after 1 or 2 years he is capable of doing the things what he loves and earn the money from them. Not that starting your career as a job without doing what you don't love, and doing things which you don't love, and the people around you don't love, and you're working only for the money, for the sake of money. Since you're getting a lot of money from them, you're working there. From my experience, I can tell you that after few years you will fed off that money, because your mental stress will be increased day by day as you are not love that job, and this will increase a disease in your body, anxiety in your body, stress in your body. You will see a lot of people have a lot of money but still they are stressed. Why? Because they are not doing the things they want to do. They don't get the time for their family because their job is so hectic. They're doing the things we don't love, and whenever you are doing the things that you don't love, it's automatically your mind is full of stress. So I recommend all my friends, all the youngsters who are just graduating from the school or the college, just see what you are good at, what you love to do in your life, and don't think of money. If you love to work a designing part, simply learn the tools that will make you number one in your field. If you love music, start learning it. If you love dancing, start taking some courses from professional people so that you will improve in your life, and you will see if 1 or 2 years you will be expert in your field, and then you can charge a lot of money from the clients. But people don't realize this thing. They completely goes with the flow. Particularly in India, what happens is the parents always said to their children that, "Beta, do study and you will get a good job." And that mindset comes to their college, and they always thinking of how to get that job, how to enter in IIT and get a 24-30 lakhs of package, without knowing that what is the direction they want to go in life. On the top of their mind, they always thinking of how to get that money in spite of what they love to do, so that they earn money by doing what they love to do. It is a very critical situation, you see. And when the person realizes this thing, it's a very late for him. I am doing job for the last 14 years and I know the pain of that. I do not want to do the things. Yes, I started working with my passion only. I started with the development. I don't care about what I'm getting in the money. I started with, and that gives him a lot of things to me, or a lot of recognition to me, and I'm here due to that only. But in the back of my mind, somewhere else, I want to do something else. I want to write a book. So I started writing on it side by side. I want to speak in front of the people. I want to be a speaker as well. So I started making these types of videos so that I can improve myself and learn the new things from the people and the comments they give on my videos. So if I conclude all the things is that if you start your career, start working on the things that you love to do, and start working on the improvement of the things. Start working on the niche. I'll put a link below the description in this video, or you might see in the side anywhere this side or this side, you will see 2 videos where you can easily find your micro niche. There are 2 ways I have given in these 2 videos so that you can work on this, that what is the best way, what is the thing I love to do. I do not guarantee you that you 100% will get your micro niche, but you simply get an idea. Yes, this is the thing that I want to do in my life. So grab it. And so guys, if you love this video, simply like it and subscribe to my channel to get a basic daily updates of all the things that I'm doing. I'm giving these types of tips to improve the lifestyle and to make a goals a realization of your life.